everybody. This is Laura with McLeod Homestead, and I just got out of work. I am on my way home. It is Friday, and it is a weekend now, and I have things planned for us for this weekend, and I'm going to try and bring you guys along with us on it. So I am headed home, and then we will be loading up the car. My little guy has his Christmas concert, and then we're heading out. I'm really excited. I think we're going to have an awesome time. I'm really hoping we are. But it's a big Christmas treat for me, my little guy, one of my other sons, and his good buddy that I call my other son. So I think we're gonna have awesome. When I say I've been working, I have been. I have been doing a full-time substitute teaching job. That is coming to an end next week. And then after that, I am back at my original job. And then I'll probably still do the subbing in between. So I plan on being busy these next few months, if doing nothing else but replenishing some of what we spent from last summer and on repairs. So that way we can have some more fun this summer. Doesn't that sound like a good plan? I think it does. So all right, everybody. Let's get on with this fun-filled weekend. And I really hope to also get my Christmas shopping done, because I really need to. Just saying. All right, I gotta put my glasses back on so I can see the road. See you guys in a bit. Because the concert involved kids, I'm not showing anything from that, but I am just showing you the stage on where the concert took place. All right, everybody, the Christmas concert for the kids is over. It's about a little after 7, and we are now getting ready to make the trek down to my son's apartment. So we got a little over 2 hours to go before we're there. So far, this weekend is off to an awesome start. Kids did wonderful. So wonderful. It was the next morning. All right, everybody. We are on our way. Alex, where are we going? Yes, we are on our way to Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, to go on the Santa train. So we have a couple-hour drive to get there, don't we? Yeah. So we're excited to see what else we'll see there, aren't we? And who else do we have going with us?
My brother and little tiny my boy Cody.
Awesome. Can Cody wave? There's our tiny boy, the good son. He's the one I call the good son, if you remember correctly. My other guy, you'll see him in pictures. So, all right, we'll see you when we get there. Now, of course, along the way, we had to stop and get pictures as we ate our lunch, and I had to get some coffee. Not gonna lie. It's actually a beautiful day out. It's
I'm shocked.
What's temperature when you don't even need a coat?
47.
47.
Oh, I'm shocked. Every weekend down here has been raining.
We don't have rain. We don't have snow. It's gorgeous. We don't need coats. We are 0.2 miles away. Now, one of the things I failed to think about was the amount of traffic. We spent an hour in traffic trying to find a parking spot. It was to the point we had 15 minutes to get to the train. Yeah, traffic was bumper to bumper traffic jam. You see them? There they are.
Okay. He looks normal.
See him?
Yeah.
Good.
He's walking the wrong way. There he is.
It was getting real. We finally made it to the train. Alex handed his ticket to the guy, and we were allowed to load the train. Next was trying to find a seat for all four of us to sit. Careful! Nope, there's four of us. We got to be able to have four. Keep going.
I didn't pay for it.
Wow. I guess we should have just came down. Okay, everybody, it's loud, but we have arrived, and we are on the Santa train. There are 700 people on this train. And we're leaving! Excitement of the train is real for the young and the old and the in-between. I think we all enjoyed going on this train ride together. We saw some pretty views. That was the bridge we went across. Santa's coming! Now my guy knows this is just Santa's helper, and he reports back to Santa. My little guy has never been fond of a Santa that is just a helper. He is only not afraid of the real Santa, and that is what he will tell you. I do not force him to sit on his lap or interact with anybody he's not comfortable with. But for me, I let the magic of the season begin. Now here I am just adding in some pictures of the fun we had on the train. It was an hour-and-a-half train ride where obviously everybody was given candy canes and the kids got cookies. Aww, did you kiss the camera?
Yeah. I love you.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. By the time we got off the train, it was dark, but we still got some pictures of us all standing beside of it. It was then that we started to walk around the town and do a little shopping.
It is.
We're gonna go to the House of Jerky.
That's the way that I look for,
How do we get in? Look at that big Santa. He's made out of balloons, isn't he? And so is that tree. There's an idea.
Can I touch him?
There's an idea for you boys. Just make a balloon tree. Then when you're done, you can pop it. This was the last of any filming because we went shopping. We stopped along the way on the way back to my son's apartment and did a bunch more shopping. And this tree is what I bought him because my boys had no Christmas tree. That was unacceptable. All right, everybody, it's the day after we went to the train. It's Sunday. And I've got to say, we had a very nice time. As you saw, some pictures and a few videos. Today is more just kind of chill out and relax a little bit before we head home. But right now it is, oops, we got a bunch of Christmas shopping done also. But today we are just going to kind of relax around my boy's apartment for a little bit, have some lunch, and then Alex and I will be heading home. Sometimes we just have to do what we have to do to help occupy the time. Huh, big guy? Alex, can you look at me and tell me what you're doing?
I'm making a gingerbread man.
Awesome.
That she is a giant.
That has belly button? Ooh, we get 2 belly buttons? Or are those just regular buttons? They're just regular buttons? Cool.
car mechanic.
Does it have car mechanic on the side of it?
No, it doesn't. It says Cody.
Okay.
Okay, now you wait, Alex. Go ahead.
Oh.
Oh.
She.
I got something fun. Woohoo! Who's this from?
Mommy.
Thanks, Mama.
What are these?
Little rubber chickens that you guys can fling at each other.
Mwah.
You know them squeaky chickens?
Look what I got.
They go on your finger.
Cody, look. I want to try some.
They're sticky
Cody.
too. Watch out.
I want to shoot it at Cody.
Oh, yes.
Read the back.
I don't know how to shoot
Hey.
this thing.
Mine says I'm the good son, James. I'm the other son.
Mommy.
And then you go to the back.
Mommy.
And then mine says I'm the other son, so she just reversed them. That's awesome.
Sunday turned out to be very rainy. All the way home, it rained and it was very foggy. But we had a very happy and successful trip. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. And we will see you on the next one. Toodles!